Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve business under newspaper Sudoku Basel on May 2, 2022. Very good Sudoku. 5th grade. We have 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade. We have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade and fourth grade, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 7. 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 5. 4th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column D and second row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B and 4th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 also we can confirm here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 6th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 9, 6, 4. The 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth grade, only 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 5, 7. 10th row and 8th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come any one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 2. It will come any one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 5th row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 8. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 10th row and 9th row, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 3. Column I, column H, also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, then column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 5th grade, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 6th grade, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 7. Column J, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 2 and 6, it will come in any one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. Second row and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 10th row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 9th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 10th row, we already have 5, so 5 can come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 8, so 8 can come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.